Munini wa Ngavana kaundini ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi niwenda silikali ya kati kwisila muvia wa kusuvia mawithyululuko ukwatane na silikali cia mitiuko ila usiwa Athi wisilite nikenda kwikia miao na mawalanio ma mituki ma kuikiithya usiusuwa Athi niwathew'a kwa mituki ila itoneka nikenda aimi ilembetani ya ukamba methe na kiw'u kitheu cha kutwaisya maundu ma uimi. Mwangangi anena ndeto isu itina wa kutwaisya umbano wa maofisa ma muvia wa uimi kaundini kuma isioni ndwani. Daniel Mwongela ena mauvo.
Munini wa Ngavana Francis Mwangangi na itina wa kikalo chu na maofisa ma uimi mandwani kana extension officers ni wailesya kana nimekwenda na ikwatianie na silikali ila ingisi ya kaunti ila usio wa Athi wisilite nikenda kwikiithya kana kiw'u cha thea undathingila kana vena vata wa silikali nene kusauyu miao na kwikia mawathyululuko usu na mituki ile itonekana.
We are also appealing to national government and other sister counties, brothers and sisters in those counties, to address the issue of polluting Athi river, because that is the main source of water within Machakos County. We are doing what we can as a county, because here today we are addressing safe consumption of green vegetables and balanced diet for our people. We cannot discuss that if we cannot discuss the issue of safety of our waters we are going to use to grow those vegetables.
Wengi nombola kana ethe'wa usiusu no Uthew'E kiw'u kila kiutumiwa ni ene nthina muno isioni ila siva kuvina usiu ni Uthew'E na kwikiithya ene nthi mwina atumia lewe na sumu na ilisakana mende na ikwatianie na ngwati ngite cia silikali kithitoni kicha ukuthesya usiu wa Athi na kuvundisya ene nthi lwa maundu ma uimi.
We need to have clean and safe water, and that's why we are appealing to national government once more to quicken their efforts to ensure waters going through Athi river are safe for consumption of our people and growing of food, and we are trying to do everything possible from this end to ensure there is no much pollution of that river. I will say as a government, what the efforts GAIN are doing, I tell them to know that they have a partner in Machakos County government. We are going to support them, whether it's at the assembly level, whether it is at legislative, that is assembly, or our ministries. We are going to work with them. Good job. So we are here to work for the people of Machakos and ensure any partner who comes works smoothly and is supported.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutungu TV, kuva kaundini ya Masaku.